Captain John Foster Williams, U.S. Coast Guard Building and Seawall, Boston, Massachusetts. This project is a really great example of understanding what our historic fabric was and improving it in order to acknowledge and protect against what has been happening in terms of climate changes and storm surge. There was an ongoing water infiltration issue, regardless of the fact that they were trying to continually upgrade, retrofit, but they weren't looking at the issue holistically. So it was a problem with the building and the seawall that was going to continue to propagate and get worse unless they took a step back and looked at it holistically as they did for this project. The jury decided to honor the Williams Building and Seawall project in two categories: construction and engineering. On the construction, it was particularly challenging because of the underwater environment. And so being able to access and to pour the new foundations was the point that we thought was the most impressive about this project. In addition, the fact that the engineering and the understanding of the problem and what existed there was completed in depth, it allowed a solution that really minimized the extent of construction needed to address the problem, because essentially they were leaving as much as they could in place as opposed to having to remove a lot of the existing structure in order to put it into its final retrofitted condition.